Do you want to make 2025 the year you take control of your finances and build a wealthier future? Let me ask you this. What if I told you there are 3 stocks that could potentially deliver returns of 110% to 130% next year? Sounds unreal, right? But here's the thing. These are not random guesses. These picks are based on solid analysis and trends you can't afford to ignore. Stick around, because today we're diving into the best 3 stocks for beginners in 2025. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. And no, I'm not here to tell you to YOLO your savings into meme stocks. Let's do this the smart way. If you don't invest wisely now, you could miss out on life-changing opportunities. Let's unlock that future together, starting with these 3 powerhouse stocks. First up, we've got a fintech disruptor that's redefining how Americans bank and invest. Let's talk about SoFi Technologies, Inc., SoFi. All right, SoFi is not your traditional bank. It's a financial super app. They're attracting millions of young Americans by offering everything from personal loans to commission-free stock trading in one seamless platform. Here's the kicker. SoFi is positioned to dominate the fintech space, and their student loan refinancing business is set to explode. I believe SoFi could deliver staggering returns in 2025. Stock number 2, Palantir Technologies, Inc. Palantir isn't just a tech company. It's a mission-critical partner for government agencies and global enterprises. Their advanced data analytics platform helps organizations make sense of massive amounts of data, whether it's predicting supply chain issues, combating cyber threats, or even optimizing military operations. With AI adoption skyrocketing in every industry, Palantir is perfectly positioned to ride this wave. They've recently secured multi-million-dollar contracts. It's a company with real-world impact and long-term potential. Stock number 3, Nike Incorporated. Nike, this isn't just a brand, it's a movement. From dominating the sportswear industry to capitalizing on the athleisure trend, Nike has been a consistent winner. And yes, based on my analysis, Nike could also deliver massive returns in 2025. So there you have it, 3 stocks with the potential to change your financial future. But the question is, what's next? And here's your next step. Check out my video on the best 3 ETFs for 2025. ETFs are perfect for beginners who want to minimize risk while maximizing returns. I've linked it in the description below. Don't miss it.